How to arrange apps icon automatically in Android phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can arrange our apps icon automatically in Android phone. So if you're also looking out on a video on how we can do this, in this video we are going to show you exactly how we can do it. So let's just get started and look out on how we can do that. So first thing first you need to know is the settings may vary from device to device, but it's almost kind of similar. So you can also try looking up for the same steps or same kind of settings available on your device. So you can go to the app section of a device. Once you're here, you can go ahead and tap on the three dot at this interface at the top right corner. And here you will be finding a section called Short. Just go ahead and tap on it, and we have this option of custom other, which means we can set up it custom wise, like we can set it up. But if you want it to arrange automatically in alphabetical order, you can select up the second option and it will be arranged alphabetically on your screen. Otherwise, we also have different settings available for our icons in our screen. For that, go ahead and tap on the three dot again, and this time head over to settings. Once you're here, you will be finding your home screen layout and different kind of layouts available. If you want your apps to be laid out on your home screen, you can go ahead and enable this option right here, which says show app screen button on home screen, and it will automatically set up on your home screen. Otherwise, we also have lock screens home layout as well, and also different applications. You can go ahead and look out of this for these options available and arrange it. So that is it. These are the processes you may follow in order to arrange your app icons automatically in your Android phone as well. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.